In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about Excel macros, but before we do macros, we'll do the totals so that you can see. So for us to start recording macros, you'll go to the Google Sheets. We have extensions. Go to macros, record macros. Okay, so we've started recording our macro. You have total. We use the sum formula is equals to sum. It has shown me the automatic one, so I just press tab and you drag and drop. We are done with the total, so we go to the average. The average will use the average formula. Average, the average formula. It has highlighted for me, so what I'll do is just press tab and it gives me the average. So I'll drag and drop. We have our average. The next step will be to grade, do grading, grades. I'll use the if formula is equals to if, press tab because the formula has already been highlighted. So we have our if. So our first logical function will be to give, we grade it with column H. So I'll say H, but is in row 2. So H2, if H2 is greater or equals to 80, let me use 80. I want the grade to be A. Comma, if again H2, is greater or equals to 60, I want it to be B. Okay. If H2 is greater or equals to 40, I want it to be C. Now the last one, let me use if H2 is less than, anything that is less than 40, let it be D. Anything that is less than 40. Now we will close by the number of brackets we've opened. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've opened 4 brackets. So we will also close with 4 brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I press enter. So 85 is A. Of course 85 is greater than 80. So it is A. So I just drag and drop. We have our grades. As you can see, those are our grades there. Now the next step is to save the macros, and macros will allow us to save with a name. For example, I can say final analysis, and I'll save it with a number. So I'm saving so that when I press Ctrl, Alt and Shift and then that number, let me call that number 2, I save. Okay, I've already saved the macro, so I want to run it in the next sheet. As you can see, this sheet is empty, but we want to do the average and the totals and the grades using just the macro we've saved that we worked on the first sheet. So I'll press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and the number I selected, which was 2. As you can see, the macro is running and we have everything in just a second.